Samsung is apparently working on a slimmer version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, known as the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, to compete with thinner Chinese phones. According to a recent report, Samsung will not meet this aim this year. According to a fresh report from Alex, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim might be 11mm thick to make it thinner. Samsung has deleted the S Pen digitizer seen on the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6. The digitizer is 0.6mm thick, 0.3mm on each side of the screen, therefore the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim might be roughly 11.5mm thick without it. Samsung is still trying to see whether it can be thinner. Depending on the model, Chinese foldable phones may be up to 910mm thick. Samsung wants its future foldable phones to be as thin as conventional phones like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do this, Samsung may need to improve parts like the hinge and the battery. Chinese foldable phones lack the IP48 dust and water resistance grade of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung does not want to lose this durability rating in order to make its phones thinner, therefore they must discover a means to do so without compromising durability. With a 6.5-inch cover screen and an 8-inch foldable screen, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim will offer larger displays than the normal Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung intends to manufacture 500,000 to 600,000 units of the slimmer foldable phone. It might be distributed exclusively in China and South Korea, where foldable phones are more popular. Samsung does not anticipate the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 to sell better than prior versions. For their new foldable phones, they forecast that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will account for 60% of sales, down from 70%, and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will account for 40%, up from 30%. According to a new leak, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, also known as the Extreme, might be introduced sooner than planned. Ice Universe announced on WBO that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim would be available in October with the Samsung Galaxy Tab 10 series. The article also cites the Samsung S25, which is assumed to be the Chinese version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. Ice Universe has released further data about the gadget, including that it will feature a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, the same as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This information was in a deleted Weibo post that at home able to retrieve. Furthermore, the elect adds that the Fold 6 Slim will feature an 8-inch internal screen and a 6.5-inch exterior screen. This is not the first time we've heard of a probable release date for the Z Fold 6 Slim. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.